Hi, good afternoon, dear students. This is your maths teacher, Siddesh sir, from Oxford Convent School, Kanipata. Dear students, we discussed in previous video class exponent, and in exponent chapter we discussed briefly about the laws of exponents. Totally 5 laws we discussed in last previous video class. So just you recall once again, because this last previous video class is more than very long, to 15 to 20 days long period. So that's why just you recall the once again the laws of exponents. First law of exponent, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Second law, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Third law, a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mm. And the fourth law, a by b 1 to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Dear students, last one loss is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n, or b to the power of n is equal to a by b 1 to the power of m. These are 5 laws of exponents. So just you recall once. Now let us, in this video class, we discuss very small large number and very large number, how to convert into exponent. Just you recall, or otherwise you heard of one small word. What is your blood cell size? Do you know? Yes. This is size of blood cell we express in decimal 0.000235 mm, right? And do you know thickness of paper? Yes, this thickness of paper is also we express in a decimal. And do you know what is distance between earth to moon, earth to sun, and what is the distance between moon and sun? So this is the large number of and very small large number we express into exponential. So this small and large numbers, how to convert into the exponential form? This is very important. Okay. Last video class we solved some problems on the basis of the 5 laws of exponent, and as well as also how to convert the small very tiny particle numbers of or size measures, how to convert into the exponent, and big number or large number of numbers, how to convert into exponential, right? So in this video class we discuss briefly regarding this one. Okay, dear students, comparing very large and very small number, right? So 1.4 into 10 to the power of 9. How? See, 1.4 is converted into the 10 to the power of minus 9. See, 1.4 140000000. How many 0? We got 9 number of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take number. So this one. And also you have include point on it. This is also 1. Totally what? 10. 1.4. Otherwise, just leave this 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? It's not point. 9. But here 1.0. Again you delete 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got the 1.4, not 14, not 14, 1.4. That 1.4 into 9, so that 0.4 is also included with the power or exponent or indices. That's why you consider as just 80 plus 1, that is totally equal to 9. Do you understand? So like this we convert into the 114. So this is what? Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 140 crore. 140 crore we convert into the exponential form. So this 140 crore is reading or writing, it may be AV. So that is that AV duties we convert into this complex is converted into the simplest, that is exponent, right? Okay. And one more, 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So this is denominator. 7 divided by 10 to the power of 6. So is equal to 7 10 to the power of 6 means 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Totally how many digits in the denominator? 6 digits, because this one. And how we get the negative minus 6? Minus 6, negative 6. So this negative, when we convert denominator to numerator, it automatically positive into the negative. So that's why here we taking minus 6 or negative 6. That's all. This is, you don't bother about this one. Okay? Do you understand? And dear students, now we solve some problems on this basis. Now we solve some problems how to convert very small digits of number and large digits of number convert into the exponent. Clear? Okay. Express the following numbers in standard form: 0.000035. See here, look here, dear students. 0.000035. Right? So how we convert? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6 or minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why here I am taking minus 5. 3 into 5, 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 0.00003.5. So here totally how many digits in this? 5 digits. Then you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay? So how minus? How it came minus? See, this is decimal. 0.00035. Then you convert it to 6 digits, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6. Then you convert it to the negative. So it's equal to 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. That's it. So clear? Yes. Dear students, so you like this? You learn the small numbers of digits convert into the exponent. And one more, 405 0000. See, this is what? 40,50,000. This 40,50,000 we convert into the exponent from 4.05 into 10 to the power of minus 6 or plus 6. How? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4.05. That's all. 4.05 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 5 plus 6. Clear? 4.05 into 10 to the power of 6. So like this, you can solve some problems, and if you have any doubts, you ask me. And one more problems in your work example. Express the following numbers in usual form. So this is also same notation. So when we given like this number, you convert into like this. Again, this number you convert into the usual form. So same example, you take this one 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. You convert into the usual form. You write like this. That's all. Here we have given one 3.52. 3.52 into 10 to the power of 5. See 5. So what is its usual form? 352,000. 3,52,000. 3,52,000. That's all. So 3 point is multiple with the 1 lakh because 10 to the power of 5. How many zeros per lakh? 5. Clear? So that's why you take it like this. So this is standard form and this one usual form. Understood? This is only difference between standard form and the usual form. Dear students, if you have any doubts, standard form and usual form, you ask me through your WhatsApp. I will solve your doubt and problems. Okay. And in exercise 2.2, as well as same as given, express the following numbers in standard form, express the following in decimal form and usual form. You solve the all three means and send through your standard WhatsApp group and I will correct and send your comment. Okay. Thank you, dear students.